In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious hamburger soup recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound ground meat, 3 cups of beef broth, 3 potatoes cubed, 1 can of corn, 1 can of peas, 1 cup of chopped carrots, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of rosemary, half a teaspoon of basil, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 3 garlic cloves shredded, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 cup of tomato sauce, and 1 onion. In a pot over heat, we're going to add the oil. To the oil, add the onions and saute them. Add the garlic and continue sauteing for a couple of seconds, but make sure not to burn it. Now we're going to add in the ground meat and we're going to cook thoroughly. Once the meat is completely cooked, we're going to add in the carrots. Then we're going to season with the salt, pepper, rosemary, basil, and parsley. Add in the tomato sauce and mix in until completely combined. Now we are going to add in our beef broth. Add in the potatoes. After that, we're going to add in an extra 2 cups of water. We are going to bring the soup to a boil and cook the potatoes thoroughly. After that, we are going to add in the corn, and the peas. We're going to let the soup simmer for another 5 minutes. Our hamburger soup is ready, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.